Consumption analytics on GreenLake empowers organizations to stay ahead of capacity needs by monitoring and analyzing actual resource utilization against installed amounts for GreenLake Flex Solutions and other HPE as-a-service offerings. This demo demonstrates how capacity can be forecasted quickly and confidently by leveraging the complete insights available in consumption analytics. Starting in GreenLake, the unified platform for managing cloud services, let's navigate to Consumption Analytics. Consumption Analytics is the service that customers use for capacity planning of their HPE-owned infrastructure installed at their desired locations. The infrastructure initially installed is based on workload predictions, but the capacity can be scaled up or down over the contract period as a customer's needs change. This is the capacity page as seen by a GreenLake Flex Solutions customer. In this demo, we've selected the HPE CIC Geneva account, with all locations visible over the past 12 months. The table shows a summary view with current values for each meter. The used column is comparing actual usage versus requested capacity in units. The meter column has color-coded charts with percentages for quick identification of immediate or potential issues. Let's quickly view resources nearing their capacity limits by filtering the meter column. Notice the first resource is marked in red with 107% usage, indicating urgent attention is needed. This overage can occur because HPE installs extra resources beyond the requested capacity to buffer against unexpected spikes. To view the trend and forecast chart and the detailed report by month, expand the HPE Alletra DHCI cluster. The trend chart's green shaded optimal zone is the area between two contractual values: the reserved capacity, the amount of a resource that the customer is committed to use, and the requested capacity, the initial estimated resource demand. This zone illustrates the optimal range where resource utilization is high enough that the organization isn't paying for resources they're not consuming, and low enough that they're not in danger of running out of capacity. The blue line shows this resource's installed capacity. Where the black line is solid, it represents actual usage, and where it's dotted, it represents forecasted usage. Usage of this meter is trending above the optimal zone on a path toward the installed capacity. In this situation, the customer should have a conversation with their HPE account team, combining this data with their information about future business demand to determine whether they need to take action, such as redistributing workloads or increasing installed capacity. Expand the HPE SimpliVity resource that is showing green. By observing the black actual usage line and the monthly report, it's clear that usage of this resource remains within the green optimal zone with the exception of occasional brief deviations. No action is needed in this case, unless information from the business forecasts a significant change in demand. Now let's select the PCAI GPU resource in the underutilized orange state. From this trend chart, we can see that this resource was installed later than the other resources, in April, and is very volatile. While this resource is currently being underutilized, it is forecasted to grow. Based on this data, the customer should have a conversation with their HPE account team about potentially redistributing workloads in the short term to maximize the installed resources. From the time period dropdown, choose how far back the trend chart should go based on the period that is relevant for the business's workloads. In this example, let's adjust it from 12 months to 6 months. Additionally, we can adjust the forecast settings, allowing predictions to more accurately reflect seasonal fluctuations specific to each business. The forecast can be customized by adjusting two variables: the number of months used as the basis for the forecast and the number of months to forecast out, the forecast period. We'll set the forecasting period to 6 months for this use case. The capacity planning functionality in Consumption Analytics on GreenLake provides the insights needed for as-a-service customers to optimize their resources to stay ahead of capacity needs.